The next in-hand manipulation skill we're going to talk about is complex rotation. Remember, in-hand manipulation is the process of both holding and moving an object that you grasp with one hand and only that hand. During in-hand manipulation, the object is held, remember, in only one hand, and it does not come in contact with a table or your body. You're going to use just your fingertips and your hands. Sometimes it helps to hold a pom-pom or a cotton ball underneath the pinky and ring fingers so that you use just your skilled fingers, your thumb, index, and middle finger. Complex rotation is turning an object over end over end. When the object is held by the thumb, it is moved by the fingers, and when it is held by the finger, the thumb moves the object out. Some of the examples of this movement includes turning a paper clip over so the opposite end can be placed on paper. Turning pegs so that they're placed upside down. So she's going to start smiley face up. Smiley face turns down, smiley face comes up and goes back in. Smiley face up, smiley face down, smiley face back up, and puts it in. We're going to show you complex rotation with a pencil as well. Complex rotation is the process of how we write, and then we erase, and then we write. So go ahead and write your name, please, Ashley. Now, using only that hand and the fingers in your right hand, can you turn that over and erase a couple letters of your names? And now go ahead and write again, please. Good job. Let's show some other ways you can maybe work on complex rotation at home. If you have some Play-Doh or silly putty, we're just going to make a pattern in that putty. We're going to use the lid of the pen, so you can go ahead and take the lid off. And can you show us that at one end there's a hole, and at the other end it's flat? And go ahead and make indentations, and you can tell us what you're going to make in the putty.
So we're going to use the whole end, and we're going to make 2 circled eyes. Just like that. Next, we're going to take the flat end that is filled, and we're going to make 4 circles for the smiley.
Most of us have Q-tips at home. We don't have any paint, but we want you to pretend that in this jar, what you see, or in this little container, is red paint. So Ashley, will you take your Q-tip and dip it in the red paint and make a mark on the paper? Now turn that Q-tip over in your fingers, dip it in the blue paint, and make a blue mark. Good job. Again, complex rotation is turning an object end over end using just your skilled fingers.